Time was a designer could spec some recycled material and call a package green, but today sustainable package design has grown up quite a bit. Companies have at their disposal an array of technologies that can trace an environmental footprint throughout the supply chain. Rose Grabowski is Vice President of Global Market Development for Consumer Product Goods at dessault Systems. She spoke with us about how product lifecycle management technologies are helping companies green their packaging and the entire supply chain. Rose, let's start off with a real basic definition of product lifecycle management, or PLM.
Product lifecycle management is really a holistic strategy that addresses the business processes and the supporting technology for innovation. So from the conception of an idea all the way through to full product definition or just prior to commercial manufacturing.
So companies are investing in PLM as it relates to sustainability. Does that mean that they see sustainability as a long-term trend?
It's been a long time since we found a business trend that will actually provide you the ability to leverage increased revenue, profitability through cost savings, attracting consumers and enhancing your brand equity by being eco-friendly minded, providing you with a competitive advantage that enables you to get out in front of your competition. I actually have a couple of examples of that.
Could you give us one of those examples?
Yeah, so, one example of that would be if you look at the laundry detergent segment. What you're seeing in the marketplace is that bottles that require less plastic or products that are more concentrated, so it provides a smaller package and it costs less to ship. And what we're seeing in sort of this proof of those that get out in front of the sustainability strategy is that, only 2% of the total detergent market is laundry detergent. As they're moving to more biodegradable or, non-toxic products, what they're seeing is a 66% increase of green product sales within a category that overall has flat sales.
And what are some of the technologies from dessault Systems that are driving these trends?
So for consumer packaged goods, we have PLM solutions that enable designers to, conceive and virtually experience a product. So some of those are around our data management and collaboration tools. So it provides the engineer or the designer with the ability to look across all of the designs that have previously been done and build off of those designs. The computer-aided, 3D computer-aided design that is provided by dessault Systems really provides that PLM architecture, enabling a designer to create, manipulate, and experience the types of materials that are used in a product or package, and then make a decision whether or not that product meets the company's sustainability criteria. Dessault Systems also provides simulation tools. They really provide tools across the entire product lifecycle management business processes. So simulation is another tool that enables them to arrive at a solution that optimizes the appearance for consumer-centric design, the performance, and then the functionality of that design, all while being able to leverage whatever sustainability objectives or practices or goals are in mind for an organization. We also offer digital manufacturing tools. Those are the ability to model digital factories. And I think the last big umbrella area is around 3D lifelike communication. And so it allows the designer to explore the buyer's experience with virtual shopping and then fine-tune that to really exceed then a buyer's expectations about a product.
In terms of some of your customers, can you tell us some of the results they've seen?
P&G has deployed our technology and continues to deploy sort of other pieces of our technology, and the results that they've had in doing so have enabled them to save $250 million a year in procurement savings. They've significantly reduced the time to qualify suppliers, they've increased productivity, and they also achieved return on investment savings from technology. They reduced 27 systems down to 1. We have other customers like Amcor Plastics Division. They saw a 50% drop in design cycle times, allowing them to do less physical prototyping and getting them faster to market. ClipLock is another customer, and they've reduced their lead time from 3 weeks to less than 1 week.
So, what are the next steps? How do you see PLM and sustainability evolving over time?
So another way I would liken the importance of sustainability strategy in an organization and how I see that's going to evolve over the next several years is really to liken it to the evolution of food labeling. Consumers to understand, what ingredients were in the food that they were consuming, and, from a nutritional perspective, as being more health conscious became more important, we were then standardizing the way we would communicate serving sizes and nutritional information. And I think what you're going to see with companies like Walmart requiring now sustainability report cards and P&G requiring their suppliers to provide sustainability report cards, all of this is going to end up culminating to a consumer communication that will end up being standardized and on the label for consumers to actually better incorporate the sustainability portion of their value equation as they think about their purchase decision for one product over another.
That was Rose Grabowski from Dessault Systems. For more information, visit 3, 3, ds.com. I'm James Krause for Package Design Magazine.